Good morning, everybody. Today it is -10. That's cold. I've got various things to try and keep the motorhome warm. Got a towel because the back blind doesn't work. I've got the curtains, but not the blind. Blinds are up at the sides with the curtains. Well, that seems to help quite a lot. I had the gas heater on at the back, blind there shut, and then at the front, I can't find the plate that blocks off the ventilation for the fridge. It stops air coming in that you use in the winter. And there's just tons of cold air coming in the front of the cooker and the fridge. So that's not great, but yeah, I can't do anything about that. That's fine. And then Eva kindly let me use her blanket. Thank you, Eva. And I've got another blanket down the bottom. So basically the front section of the motorhome is fairly well blocked off. It's a thing. And the diesel heater's now on. It was off. I had it off all night. The gas heater was on. Just trying to keep the base temperature of the motorhome at a point where it wasn't unbearable. I was fine. I was absolutely fine. I slept all through the night, not cold at all, which was lovely, obviously. Now that I'm up and about, I've turned the heating up at the back and the diesel heater's on, but it's definitely cold. -10 is quite a low temperature, and it's not -10 feels like -10. It's -10 feels like -15 or something, or lower. I don't know. I might take the drone up if the weather's okay and show you where we are, but I think I'm going to head off because it's not somewhere I want to be. I've had quite a good night, and I would recommend staying here even with the cold weather. It was a good, quiet place to sleep. There's no need to be here anymore. I don't need to be in the cold. It's unnecessary. So I'm going to start moving south. Hopefully we're going to go into Warsaw, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea. It might just be somewhere to avoid with the temperature. So should we go? Let's warm up, please. We're on the road. We've got 3 hours and 10 minutes to drive. Not too bad. I've decided it's just silly to go to Warsaw because it's -11 there and it feels like -17 or something. So I just think that's really not a sensible thing to be doing. The motorhome started okay this morning, but it did struggle. So for that reason, again, I think it's sensible that we try and get out of this weather because it's just not sensible. Thankfully, we've got a diesel heater. I know I say it a lot, but I think the diesel heater is a big part of the motorhome having redundancy. We've got the electric heating, we have electricity last night, that would have obviously been terrible. And we have gas. If we ran out of gas, we'd have nothing. Last night, it would be tragic. We've got diesel heater on now. It's on its second setting, which is very rare, ever. So that's sitting there in the back, just warming the back of the motorhome, trying to set like a base level so that the air from the front doesn't just get sucked. I'm not a scientist, I don't know what the terms are, but I'm pretty sure if the back's really cold and we chuck loads of heat in the front, it'll just dissipate to the back. But, you know, comment below, tell me I'm stupid. The front isn't warm yet because the engine hasn't heated up yet, but that'll be okay. I'm not cold, I'm actually okay. -10 outside is definitely a thing. I don't know if I've experienced that before. It was very cold flying the drone earlier. My eyes hurt. The plan is to head southwest. The idea being that hopefully it gets warmer. I don't really have a lot of hope in it getting warmer, but I thought it would just be a nice idea. I found a campsite that's just over 3 hours away, and hopefully that's a positive place to head. Found a shower en route. I think that would be good. Do a shower today. Had a shower yesterday morning. So another one today would be nice. And I guess it's time for breakfast because I haven't eaten yet. So I'll be on the lookout for something as we drive, I think. So the weather here is still -10, feels like -15. The interesting part is the engine hasn't got up to temperature yet, and I've been driving for about 25 minutes. Normally registers half on the scale, it's at a quarter, and it has been for a long time. Yes, it's cold. Very cold. I'm absolutely amazed at how clear these roads are. You see a car occasionally and they go buzz, then the road's clear again, and then another car and the road's clear. It's quite impressive. It's smooth, there's no issues with snow. Also, I haven't washed my windscreen since I started driving. Not with water anyway, and I know that because the water's frozen. Yes, it's got antifreeze in it, yes it has, but it's still frozen. I can't do anything about that. But I don't need it anyway, so it's okay. Because somehow the grit or whatever must be on the road is not causing any issues. Very impressive. Right on Poland. 1 hour and 22 minutes to go. Another 140 kilometres. We're due there at 10 past 1. Wonderful news everyone, it's now -3. Welcome warm temperature. And the screen wash works. I can now wash the window. Not that it needs washing, as I said before, but I can. 54 minutes away from our final destination today, 84 kilometres to travel. We're due there currently at 1:30. Look, we're here at a service station. Just need to see if there's a shower. I'm not that desperate. I feel we're alright, but I'm on a quest now. I need to make it happen. Determined. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's hot. Nearly. It's hot. Okay, right. Time to get my stuff. I bet there's a shower at the campsite. I can't even remember if there is or not. But I just want a shower. That's all I want. I don't want much. I'm so happy. Done it. I've had a shower. The showers in there were absolutely perfect. They weren't amazing. Like, they weren't like 10 out of 10. Shower itself was probably a 5. Disappointing. Like the ones in a swimming pool where you press the button and it lasts 30 seconds and it turns off, maybe less than that. The bit that made it was in the disabled toilet, and the disabled toilet was bigger than most garages. In fact, I probably could have fitted the motorhome in this room. It had toilet, sink and everything else that I didn't need. But the floor was heated. So I went in there and it was just nice, warm. I could stand on the floor without freezing my feet. And anyway, enough. If I could review this toilet block, I would give it a 7. Let's hit the road. Let's keep going. We need to get to the campsite. Let's go. I forgot to mention that the campsite, the skiing resort place, had a restaurant, and I didn't go there. I didn't realise really what was there until I researched it later into the evening because I was doing some work. And actually I should have gone because it looked great. The whole place looked great really, especially if you wanted to go skiing. Skiing's not my thing. I'm definitely not a skier. I'm more of a sitter or a walker. Don't run. Not a lot. Unless someone's chasing me, I suppose. But I think if we were to go again, I would definitely go to the restaurant and I'd definitely walk around. But what I wouldn't do is leave the motorhome when it's -10. Really excited to arrive somewhere in the daytime. It's not been great so far. Every day has been delayed for different reasons, all caused by myself other than the ferry. That wasn't me. And it's just meant that every time we arrive somewhere I can't show you properly where we are. We're due there at 2:10 now, after the shower and the break and various other things. Being a little bit adventurous, I decided that for the last half an hour of the journey I'd tell it to avoid motorways. It was getting a bit boring. I thought, let's see a bit more of the local area. That sounded like a good idea. Let me show you what I'm looking at. It's a bit icy, but not slippery. It's definitely iced over, but I've got complete control. Very pretty, much better than the motorways. Very happy to see these clear green fields. Snow has gone, for now anyway. And that means, hopefully, it's going to be a little bit warmer. Last night was bearable. In bed it was fine, absolutely fine. But going to bed, the actual evening itself was really chilly. So if we can avoid that tonight, that would be absolutely delightful. I'd be very happy. I've arrived and I'm parked there. I need to get in. I can't work out how to use the machine on the gate. That's my fault because I don't speak Polish. So I'm going to have to go and walk to reception. Let's see if I can achieve this. Okay, right, there's a machine here with a button that says language. That doesn't work. Oh. No. Let's go and ask someone. Right, very, very helpful lady inside. Spoke lovely, perfect English, better than mine. She's gonna let me through the gate. I need to go around to the right hand side and find my place. I can stay wherever I like, she says. I like this place already. Very happy to say we're on our pitch. Here we are, look. Motorhome, looking a bit dirty. This is the site. It says I'm parked for having some work done. Quite a lot of building materials and stuff around, but that shouldn't really affect my sleep tonight, I don't think. That would be strange if it did. So we've got pitch number 23, and I believe there's some sockets somewhere to plug in. I could have chosen this pitch here, which has the sockets on it, but I decided to go with that one for some reason. Now the big question will be the size of the breakers. Yeah, interesting. So there it is. There are the breakers, but they don't have any labels on them. There's no numbers. Okay. All right. Well, I guess we'll plug in and see if it stays on. Let's do that now. Wonderful news. We have power, which means I can turn the heating on and get this place nice and warm. It's now 9 o'clock. Obviously it's dark outside, but most importantly, it's not -10, but it will go down to -5 or -6 in the morning, around 2, 3, 4 o'clock, which isn't particularly encouraging. I'll be honest, I don't want that. I'm fed up of cold. Yeah, all I can say is it's much better than the -10 that I woke up to. I'm going to be heading towards Germany. The location will be revealed next week's video, so please tune in. And any questions, comments, put them below. See you soon, everyone. Bye bye.